you cry no more.
What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Paul. Today's video is a tribute for Paulo Miguel Silva, a fallen Foxbody brother, friend of ours, father, and truly a legend within the Foxbody community. Paulo and his Foxbody eruption, very well known across the social media platforms. If you're not familiar, this is a great way to at least learn a little bit about Paulo. Also, I just want to highlight that I did not create the video. It was done by Frankie, owner, operator of CARSTAR Brampton. He also runs a YouTube channel, Monster Motorsports. Check it out. Show him some love. Of course, I got permission to share it from Frankie, as we both felt that Paulo would want as many people to see it as possible. That said, we miss you, Paulo. We love you. You're not going to be forgotten. Rest in peace, brother.
On behalf of the Toronto Foxbody Club, we wish you a farewell, Paulo. Rest in peace.
We wish you were here, and we hope you're doing some big burnouts up top there, and listening to some Van Halen. What do you think of Paulo?
Best guy ever. Good to miss you, buddy.
Paulo, rest in peace, brother. We're gonna miss you, buddy. Take care.
Carry on my wayward son. There'll be peace when you are done. Lay your weary head to rest. Don't you cry no more.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh.
You, my friend, And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way, from where we began.
You know, we started.
Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Let me tell you.
When I see you